What if I told you that your brain can make a gorilla completely invisible? Sarah sits in a psychology lab, confident and alert, watching a video on screen. Her task seems simple: count how many times the players in white pass the basketball. She focuses intensely, tracking every throw, every catch. 15 passes total. The researcher asks if she noticed anything unusual. Sarah shakes her head, absolutely certain she saw everything. Then they show her the same footage again. Halfway through, a person in a full gorilla suit walks directly through the players, stops, beats their chest, then walks off. Sarah's jaw drops. This has to be a different video, but it's not. The gorilla was there the entire time, obvious and impossible to miss. Her focused attention created a blind spot so complete that a gorilla became invisible. If our minds can hide something this obvious, what else are we missing every single day? Your attention doesn't reveal reality. It creates it.